Hi, my name is Catherine Riley and welcome all 6th graders.
Hi, hola, mi nombre es Amaris Perez.
Hi, my name is Katie.
Hi, my name is Paul.
Hi, my name is Evan.
My name is Niall.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
Hi, I'm Terika. Tengo 16 años y me gusta venir a Calvary porque me gusta cómo el grupo de jóvenes podemos interactuar entre nosotros mismos y aprendemos de cada quien y hacemos amistades grandes.
I like Calvary Youth Ministry because you get to form a lot of relationships with friends and also get to grow closer with God.
I really enjoy the youth ministries because of how welcoming it is and how close you get to your relationship with the youth pastor.
When you join the youth ministry, everybody is like family, and you just start having laughs that you would never have with anybody else. It's amazing.
I go to Calvary Baptist Church Ministries and I grow here.
And I love Calvary Youth because we love each other.
Yeah! In the youth ministry, you get to make connections with a lot of people and you become a family, and that's what I love about our youth group.